Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Webflow website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your Webflow website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your Webflow website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by adding a video into your landing pages, it can help increase your conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Webflow dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Webflow account, and this is the dashboard that's going to show all the websites you have with it. So first, you want to go ahead and choose the website you're going to add the YouTube video in. I just have this one, and you're just going to hover over it and then click on Open Designer. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the web designer in your Webflow account. You can see right here. And in order to add a YouTube video, first you want to go ahead and skip over to the page that you want to add the YouTube video on. So over here on the left, you're going to see like a little page icon. Click on there, and then you're going to see a list of all of the pages. So we'll do it on the About. Okay, so here we are on the About page. And next what we want to do is go ahead and just scroll down to the general area that you want to add your YouTube video in. So for me, let's go ahead and add it right here above our team. And then what you're going to do is here on the top left, you're going to see a plus icon, click there. And then you're going to go ahead and just scroll down until you see the section here called Media. If you don't see this for some reason, make sure that you've clicked Elements, not Layout. So you can see Elements is in black, Layouts is in gray. And then in order to add a YouTube video, all you're going to do is just grab this little icon and just drag it right on over. And you can see these blue lines. Once you see that blue line, that's where the video is going to drop. So we'll just drop it right there. Okay, now you can see there is a YouTube video up above our team where we had dropped it. And what we're going to do is we need to go ahead and just fill out these settings right here. So the only thing we need is the YouTube video URL. Let me grab this video right here from my YouTube channel. So that doesn't necessarily need to be your YouTube video. It could be any YouTube video that has the share feature right here. Just click share and then copy the URL. And then we want to jump back over to Webflow, and we're going to paste that right here in URL. And here you can go ahead and add a title. It automatically pulls the title from the YouTube video, but you can go ahead and delete that and then add in what you want. Okay. And here you can go ahead and choose a moment in the video if you want. So maybe we want that to start on the 1 minute mark. Okay, so now if you don't want the viewer to be able to skip ahead or anything like that, you can go ahead and remove the show player controls. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and maybe adjust the size of this YouTube video in your Webflow website, go ahead and click here, show all settings. Once you do that, you're going to see the settings here on the right side. So you can go ahead and make various changes to this. So if you scroll up, you can click on style. So here you can go ahead and adjust the size. So let's see, width we'll do 50. Right now you can see it really shrank the YouTube video, so it's only going to take up half of the screen. You can also play with the sizing. We'll do 10 right here. You can also change the alignment. So we shrink it down to 50%, but maybe we want that to be in the center. So we'll just click right here on center, or maybe we want to go ahead and change the borders. Okay, so now that you made the changes to your YouTube video, you can go ahead and adjust it. So you can see it's kind of far off to the left here. So maybe we want to go ahead and adjust the margin. So let's go ahead and add this to 100. Let's do 140, 220. Okay, so yeah, it looks a little bit better. And maybe we can just move it over just a little bit. So let's see here. That looks pretty center to me. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And if you want, you can go ahead and see what it's going to look like on mobile by clicking up here. You can see on the mobile, it is definitely off to the center, actually off to the right. So we can go ahead and adjust that for the mobile version and just kind of drag it on over. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now if you have your YouTube video exactly how you like it, it's not actually going to take effect until you click on publish here on the top right. Okay, now it's publishing. Okay, now it's published. So now anytime someone ends up on my website here on this particular page, they will see this YouTube video. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your Webflow website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.